Hey everyone, this is Will from Scooter Ready. Today I'm going to talk to you about a must-have accessory for your bicycle. So whether you're riding an electric bicycle or a traditional bike, this is a must-have accessory because it's going to get you out of the binds when you need it most. It's called a multi-tool kit. And one of our favorites is the Crankbrothers F15 Multi Tool kit. It's nice, it's a high quality multi-tool kit. It's not that heavy. It comes in at about 164 grams, which is quite lightweight. It fits perfectly in any saddlebag, any pannier bag, or any trunk bag. And it has pretty much all the tools you're gonna need to get you out of a pinch while being out on the bike path. And whether it's to help yourself out or to help a fellow cyclist out, these kits come in really handy. And if you're out there helping somebody else, I can tell you, you're gonna be the hero of the day. And who doesn't want to be a hero, at least for a short period of time anyways. So let's get into what's included with the kit. So it's a 3-part system. So we have all of our bits here. We also have a chain brake as well as a spoke tool and a nice machined aluminum case with a series of magnets that keeps all of these bits together nicely so that when it's all together, you don't have to worry about those bits falling out inside your bag and losing them. So really well thought out from Crankbrothers. So I really like that. And the magnets are strong. So you pulling them apart will take a little bit of effort, but that is a good thing. On the kit here, we have a series of hex keys. So most bicycles will have screws that will have a hex nut on them, and the kit will allow you to use these and fix any issues. So whether that's on your pannier rack, whether that's on your stem, for example, your seat posts, your saddle screws as well that holds everything in place. Pretty much everything that's on your bicycle can be adjusted and tightened with the hex keys. And we have them from 2 millimeters, so it's the very, very smallest, all the way up to the largest at 8 millimeters. So that would be the 2, 2.5, 3, 4, 5, 6 millimeter, and finally the larger 8 millimeter hex key. We also have a T25 bit on here as well. So T25 is commonly found on a lot of European bikes, whether that's for mounting the brakes and also for things like, let's say, a stem, for example. So that T25 bit can come in useful, and it's very useful for electric bicycles because many electric bicycles use the T25 bit. We also have 2 common screwdriver bits. We have a Phillips, and we also have the flathead screwdriver bit here as well, which can get you out of a lot of pickles. I can guarantee you use that tool quite a bit. Now heading over to this bit here. Now this is actually a 2-tool accessory. It's a chain brake tool, so perfect in case you're out on the bike path and you happen to break one of your links or bend one of your links or your chain snaps, for example. But it's also well suited for doing maintenance around the house to your bicycle. So when you want to take your chain off and maybe put a new chain on, for example. And it covers all the way from 8 all the way up to 12-speed bicycles. And the way the chain brake tool works is really easy. Simply come back to your multi-tool kit and choose your appropriate hex key bit, put it into the end of the screw here, and you can tighten and loosen and crack open that chain or install a new chain, remove links, etc. So really super cool there and super convenient. And on the opposite side, we have our spoke tensioning tool. So this will allow us to tighten or loosen spokes, and we have a wide range of different sizes. We have 0 all the way up to 3. So that'll help most people out in most situations on most bicycles. I mean, this is a quick summary of the toolkit. It's a really, really nice kit. It's easy to use, just so practical. And you have to have one of these kits in your toolkit. And you're carrying your pannier bag, like I said, in a saddle bag, in a trunk bag, for example. It's a must-have tool. And what they've also done, in case you're out and having lunch somewhere, we also have a convenient bottle opener located on the bottom here that allows you to open up your favorite beverage. It's a great quality tool. It's a must-have. If you're interested in picking one of these up for your bike, go ahead and click on the link down below, carry over to our website, and you can add one to your cart, and we do ship worldwide. So go ahead and order one of these awesome Crankbrothers F15 toolkits. Thanks a lot for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.